I decided to try laundry stripping again. Last time it didn't really work out so well, and I had measured with measuring cups, so this time I decided to measure with my heart. Laundry detergent, borax, and washing soda. I wanted to try this on some old towels and bath mats that kind of have a musty smell to them no matter how many times I wash them. They're on their last leg, so I figured, why not? Mix it all up, and then start adding. These are all really old towels and bath mats, so I didn't think that leaking dye would be an issue considering how many times they've been washed, but as you will see, I was mistaken. This was immediately after. And this was later in the afternoon. Oh, it's so gross. I was completely shocked that this was happening. And I was convinced that a cup of coffee had been spilt on something. But it was the old brown bath mat. It was so disgusting. And it was like I was soaking everything in a vat of dye. So I decided to rinse out the brown bath mat, and then I took it out, got it away from everything else. It was a huge mistake to mix light colored things with this bath mat. I really didn't think it was going to be an issue. Obviously it was. I took the brown bath mat out and decided to put everything else back in there for a second round. I left it in there for a few hours. As you can see, some of the towels have been dyed brown. This was after a couple of hours, and then I decided to put the brown bath mat back in there, and after about 30 seconds, this is what happened. Then I put everything into the wash and washed it twice. The towels weren't white to begin with anymore, but as you can see, they do have splotches dyed all over them. Don't make my mistake.
Girl, look how orange you look, girl.